The lightweight drone market has officially been pushed to its absolute limits, and DJI is about to break the rules entirely. If you are planning to buy any sub 250-gram drone right now, or if you are holding out for an incremental update, you need to freeze your wallet and listen very closely. Welcome back to TechVibe, your absolute baseline for the world's most advanced consumer and cinema hardware. If you buy a drone today, you will regret it in a matter of months, because factory supply chain leaks, component schematics, and regulatory blueprint filings have just completely exposed the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. We are talking about a massive generational leap that packs heavyweight cinema gear into a pocket-sized frame, leaving everything else in the industry completely in the dust. For high-end travel creators, commercial Part 107 pilots, and solo filmmakers across the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, this is the exact moment the line between consumer convenience and professional cinema gear completely vanishes. The biggest limitation of compact drones has always been physical sensor size. To keep the weight under that crucial 249-gram limit and bypass strict aviation registrations and licensing laws globally, DJI previously had to compromise. But the leaked engineering data reveals a massive hardware revolution. The Mini 6 Pro is jumping to a true 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor architecture. If you understand camera tech, you know that a stacked sensor changes everything. It reads data at lightning speeds, which completely eliminates rolling shutter distortion and ugly jello effects during high-speed tracking shots or sudden banking maneuvers. Instead of a cropped image, this sensor is built to process massive amounts of raw data, giving users uncropped, cinema-grade 4K resolution at a buttery-smooth 120 frames per second, alongside emerging reports of native 6K resolution at 60 frames per second. This means you can drop ultra-crisp, high-bitrate aerial footage directly into professional timelines without matching up mismatched scales or sacrificing your dynamic range. But a larger sensor is only half the story. The absolute holy grail for drone pilots is managing light without the constant hassle of landing to snap on physical glass filters. The supply chain schematics confirm that DJI has successfully engineered a true mechanical variable aperture system ranging from f/1.7 all the way down to f/11 directly into this ultralight payload. This is an engineering marvel. In broad daylight, instead of cranking your shutter speed up and ruining your natural cinematic motion blur, you can mechanically stop down the lens to retain a perfect 180-degree shutter rule. When the sun dips, opening the iris up to f/1.7, paired with that 1-inch stack sensor, means the low-light capability of this platform will actively rival heavy, specialized cinema lines. You get native 10-bit D-Log-M color grading profiles, meaning over 1 billion colors are captured with deep shadow recovery and pristine highlight retention, giving you absolute freedom in post-production. Safety and autonomy are also getting an unprecedented overhaul that sounds like absolute science fiction. Current compact drones use traditional optical sensors for obstacle avoidance, which means they are essentially blind the moment the sun goes down or when flying in high-contrast environments. The Mini 6 Pro completely rewrites this script by integrating a revolutionary omnidirectional nightscape LiDAR system. By using millimeter-precise laser radar arrays instead of just camera lenses, the drone maps its entire physical surroundings in real time, even in pitch-black darkness. Imagine pulling off a complex, low-altitude tracking shot through tight forest branches at midnight or navigating a tight urban skyline at blue hour without a single worry. This system feeds directly into ActiveTrack 6.0, an advanced artificial intelligence tracking engine that utilizes predictive machine learning. If a subject temporarily disappears behind a building, a thick canopy, or a vehicle, the drone calculates the trajectory and holds the framing perfectly, allowing solo creators to achieve complex multi-axis camera movements entirely on autopilot. All of this advanced hardware requires serious power, and this is where early testers are losing their minds. Packing a 1-inch sensor, a variable aperture mechanism, and a LiDAR module into a sub-250-gram drone usually means your battery life takes a massive hit. To solve this, DJI is shifting away from traditional lithium-ion structures and introducing a next-generation, high-density solid-state battery chemistry. The leaked specifications point to a mind-blowing flight time of up to 60 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, while still maintaining a highly optimized carbon fiber composite structural frame to stay within legal weight thresholds. Even with the standard lightweight battery pack designed to meet strict international aviation baselines, you are looking at an easy 45 to 47 minutes of real-world airtime. Paired with a redesigned high-efficiency propulsion system and redesigned aerodynamic props, this tiny powerhouse can cut through heavy coastal winds with a verified level 6 wind resistance rating, keeping your horizon lines perfectly locked even during intense mountain drafts or beachside shoots. To stay connected over massive distances, the transmission pipeline is getting a significant upgrade to the new O5 HD transmission system. Utilizing state-of-the-art 5G cellular bonding alongside standard dual-band frequencies, this system ensures that your live view remains a crisp, lag-free 1080p stream at 60 frames per second, even when flying in dense, high-interference urban centers like New York, London, or Sydney. The signal penetration is designed to slice through thick concrete walls and radio congestion, giving you total peace of mind when executing long-range exploration or precision commercial inspections. Let's talk about the production timeline, global market pricing, and exactly what choices you need to make right now. Industry Insider roadmaps show that DJI is currently finalizing FCC filings, putting the official global release window perfectly on track for the late 2026 holiday shopping season. Because of the inclusion of true premium hardware like the mechanical iris and LiDAR tracking, the pricing structure will reflect a more professional tier. The standard standalone kit is expected to launch right around $899, while the highly coveted premium Fly More combo, which packages the next generation RC Pro controller featuring an ultra-bright built-in display alongside 3 solid-state batteries and a multi-channel charging hub, will sit closer to $1,499. While it is a step up in price for a compact drone, it completely deletes the need to buy a mid-tier platform like the Air Series or a heavy cinema rig just to get professional imagery. If you want to ensure your footage stays ahead of the industry curve and you want to stop compromising on image quality just to stay under the legal weight limit, the Mini 6 Pro is the ultimate tool you have been waiting for. This isn't just a minor iteration, it is a complete restructuring of what compact drone technology can achieve. If you want to keep your production quality ahead of the entire industry curve, the choice is clear. Hit that like button right now, drop a comment below letting us know which specific hardware upgrade blew your mind, and make sure to subscribe to TechVibe with notifications turned on so you never miss a single breaking leak the exact moment it drops. Thank you for watching, keep your sensors clean, and we will see you in the next breakdown.